So here we have a Fujitsu Scansnap ix500 disassembly video. Start with the two Phillips screws that go into a plastic housing. I am using a Phillips 1 size bit. So I usually start on the bottom here. So this unit has been disassembled before, so it's going to be slightly easier than a unopened unit. Slide it out and up. So we'll start disconnecting the wires that go into the main control board. So you have to be very careful while pulling these wires out. As you can see, I accidentally damaged this by prying on the plastic connector. So what I'm going to do next is just pull on the wires gently and carefully. So wiggle it sideways and out, sideways and out. So the damage is already done. So this is a wider cable, so grab hold of all of the wires. So you got to be very gentle with these. Okay, there you are. So I use my nail to pry against the connector that's holding the wires right here. So this has a locking mechanism. The black plastic, you kind of slide it out gently. Can't stress that enough. You don't want to break any of these. And after you slide it out, so that's this plastic that holds it in place. Same principle here. I'm going to use my nail gently. Okay, there you are. That's open. As soon as it's open all the way out, slide all of the flags out. So let's see if I can pull it out. There you are. And this is the Wi-Fi. I'll also disconnect this cable here. And pull this out since it's going to be held here. And there's one grounding tool here, and it has a washer on it. And the way this goes in is, let's see, it has to go under a plastic right here. So you got to be careful that this goes into this or under the plastic tab. So carefully take this piece out. So this is a switch. You can use your fingers to, and you gotta remember that this goes in here right there. There you are. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that go into metal and has a washer on all of them. Two, 3, 4, 5. So there's that, and 3 more. Same kind of screw, goes into metal with a washer. 1, 2, 3, and let's see, start from the bottom. There you are. So this piece tends to fall off, but you can always put it back. And you just follow the process in reverse. So we usually get a lot of these with the damaged plastic that goes on top right here. And yeah, that's it. The video for a ix500 Fujitsu Scansnap disassembly for the main control module removal. Thank you.